it's lockdown and I feel like I need some chicken. So we're gonna make chicken Jalfrezi. So for this we need chicken, we need peppers, we need onions, we need oil and lots of spices.
Really?
Yes. And the eater is obviously me.
You?
Yes. Right now I'm in the garden, but I need to be in the kitchen. Okay, so now we are in the kitchen. This feels better. Okay, so we've got our chicken over here. We've got a pepper. We've got our onion. We've got our coriander and our tomato. And we've got some green chili. But where's the spices? So we've come back with all our spices. We've got haldi, we've got coriander powder, we've got zira, and then we have salt to taste and some extra hot chili. And we have hot curry powder, and we've peeled an onion. Okay, now we've got all our ingredients. We have to start on the work. So first let's start with chopping the peppers. This is not a tablespoon. We need a bit more. I have to put the onions in, so I have to do this.
So the first thing to do is dropping the onions while the oil is frying. So now that we've put the onions in, now we can get tablespoons of salt. Now that the salt has been added, we can add the stew of garlic and ginger. So now that the onions have cooked, now we can put in the pepper.
Wow.
So I just want it to be nice and brown, but not burnt. Maybe nice and brown, but not burnt.
So now that this is set, we can now add in the chili.
Go and get the other one, please.
As well as a small amount of haldi. And now we can add in a small amount of coriander powder. So now we've added in some bay leaf. So right now we're just cooking the chicken, and we'll know when it's finished when all of this water has evaporated. And towards the end we'll add in the coriander and the tomatoes. So.
Good. Professional.
I think I will eat this.
You won't?
I will.
Okay.
I definitely will. Did you know? One fun fact. Did you know this little hole over here? You're meant to use it when you're not using that and stick it in there like this.
Really?
Yes.
Genius. Genius. I didn't know that.